Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to say your opinion very simply in German just by using a certain kind of verb. And that verb is, drum roll, finden. So the infinitive is finden. We're going to use it just like a regular verb where there's a root and the ending to give you the conjugation, right? So really quick, the ending for ich is e, the ending for du is t, the ending for sie is t, same as ihr right here, and then sie, wir, sie, use the whole infinitive finden, right? So the root is just find. Now watch out, it sounds like find, but it is not the kind of like I'm searching for find. It is like I find your attitude very pleasant, right? It's talking about an opinion. So how would we use this in a sentence? Oh, first, let's practice together, right? We want to practice our conjugation, so you're repeating after me. Ich finde, du findest, sie es findet, wir finden, ihr findet, and sie finden. When you're using this verb, I want you to keep that extra E that's on the end of ich finde. Keep that E when you're doing the du, sie, and the ihr. Do you see that they kept that E there? Because we can't have four consonants next together. Contrary to popular opinion, Germans don't like to spit and have bodily fluids coming out of their mouth when they're talking. So we keep that E in there to have that nice bouncy, bouncy cadence. Ich finde, du findest, sie es findet. And no spit is leaving my lips. Okay, let's take a look at how we create these sentences. So the first thing you're going to need is the subject. Second position is verb. Third position is information. All right, so first let's ask the question. Wie findest du Deutsch? What do you think of German? Wie findest du Deutsch? Ich finde Deutsch toll. So notice that we have our subject ich. We're talking about this person right here. We match that with the correctly conjugated verb finden. So it's ich finde with the E ending. And then we have what we're talking about. And then we're going to describe what we think about that just by adding an adjective at the end of the sentence. So ich finde Deutsch toll. I think German is cool. Next one is du findest Deutsch blöd. Bleh, blöd. I think German is stupid. Last but not least, findet Deutsch interessant. There's a cognate for you. Findet Deutsch interessant, meaning he thinks German is pretty interesting. All right, so it's very simple to make these sentences. It stays with the subject verb info. There's an example of your question and 3 example sentences for you to use when you are trying to create your own sentences on your whiteboards. So now you're going to turn to your neighbor after you get all your guided notes done, pick up those whiteboards and practice using that SVI table of making a sentence that is an opinion that you have about one of your classes. Okay? We'll see you soon. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.